How to fix CPU Z146 underscore x64.sys or CPU Z136 underscore x64.sys. A driver cannot load on this device in Windows 11. Hello friends. This error message appears when CPU Z, Corsair ICUE5 or Corsair LINK 4 software is installed on your computer. Follow the steps to fix this issue. Click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Select Settings. Click on Apps. Go to Installed Apps. Find CPU Z, Corsair ICUE5 or Corsair LINK 4 in the list. This is CPU Z. On my computer, CPU Z is installed. Check on your computer. Click on this ellipsis. Select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Are you sure you want to completely remove CPU ID CPU Z and all of its components? Click on Yes. Close Settings and close all other running files and restart your computer. Click on Start. Click on Power icon. Select Restart. The error will be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.